Imagine waking up in 2025, stepping into a world reshaped by advanced technology. Your day begins with a commute powered by a cutting-edge electric vehicle priced at $225,000, offering a seamless 300-mile range. At home, a humanoid assistant handles daily chores, freeing up time for leisure. Evenings are effortless, with autonomous ride services providing affordable, futuristic transport. As the night winds down, your vehicle navigates home independently, showcasing the pinnacle of self-driving innovation. This vision of tomorrow hinges on 5 key advancements set to redefine daily life through intelligent automation and sustainable solutions. Central to this transformation is the Optimus platform, a humanoid system designed to perform tasks traditionally requiring human effort. Production of its 3rd iteration is slated for next year, marking a major expansion into robotics. Standing at 5 feet 8 inches and weighing 125 pounds, it handles around 80% of human tasks, from household duties to industrial operations. Priced at approximately $20,000, it aims to become a staple in homes and workplaces. Early trials report a 90% success rate in complex activities like meal preparation and cleaning, with users noting a 50% boost in daily efficiency. Its adaptive learning capabilities suggest future applications in more specialized roles. If widely adopted, industries could see labor costs drop by 30%, while partnerships with retailers might deploy these systems in customer service roles. Projections indicate over 1 million units sold by late 2026, signaling a seismic shift in labor and automation. Complementing this is Tesla's next-generation electric vehicle, targeting affordability without compromising performance. Priced at $25,000 with a 300-mile range, it aims to democratize electric mobility, targeting 1 million new customers annually and boosting overall sales by 30%. New production facilities backed by $1 billion in investments aim to manufacture 500,000 units yearly by 2026. Early feedback praises its quality, earning a 4.8 out of 5 rating. However, challenges loom. Competitors like BYD's Dolphin and Chevrolet's Bolt offer similar pricing, demanding continuous innovation. Success here could accelerate global adoption of sustainable transport, disrupting traditional combustion engines. The 3rd pillar is unsupervised autonomous driving, a leap beyond current semi-autonomous systems. After years of iterative updates, the technology now boasts a 95% success rate in urban navigation, with over 100,000 beta testers contributing data. Regulatory discussions in key states hint at imminent approval, potentially having traffic accidents by eliminating human error. Partnerships with insurers offer reduced premiums for users, incentivizing adoption. This advancement could redefine car ownership, shifting focus toward shared mobility models. Tied closely to autonomous tech is the rollout of driverless ride services, targeting a fleet of 500,000 vehicles by 2026. These taxis promise 24/7 availability at 75% lower costs than conventional services, with pilot programs already showing under 5-minute wait times and 95% user satisfaction. Projected to generate $1 billion by 2027, this service could reshape urban transportation, reducing reliance on personal vehicles. Finally, the Tesla Semi aims to revolutionize freight with an all-electric 18-wheeler capable of 500 miles per charge, hauling 80,000 pounds. Slated for production next year, it targets a 10% market share initially, with pre-orders from major firms like Walmart and Pepsi. Operators could save $200,000 in fuel costs over 3 years, while emissions drop by 80% by 2030. Analysts predict electric trucks could dominate 15% of the freight sector by 2030, signaling a shift toward greener logistics. Underpinning these innovations is a strategic focus on research and production scalability. Over $5 billion is allocated annually to advance AI, robotics, and energy systems, supported by collaborations with academic institutions and tech firms. Facilities like the Dojo supercomputer enhance neural network training, refining autonomy and machine learning. Expansions in manufacturing hubs worldwide aim to meet demand while maintaining cost efficiency. As these technologies converge, they paint a future where automation and sustainability are intertwined. While challenges like regulatory hurdles and market competition persist, the potential for societal transformation is immense. From redefining labor to reshaping urban mobility, the coming year could mark the dawn of an era where intelligent systems and clean energy solutions become everyday realities.